Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to operate the NIRvascan using the ISC NIRscan app on an Android. So the first step is to turn on the device, and then we would tap on the ISC NIRscan logo here. Once this main screen appears, which has a big lens in the center, we go to the gearbox at the bottom right corner, and then you see the device, set my device. The serial number is written in here. So I'm just gonna tap on it, and then we should be able to see the serial number appearing here as well. Once this appears, then we go back, tap on the back arrow, and then we go to the main screen. We tap on the big lens again, and some circle is appearing, and this should download some calibration files. So you can see that reading scan configuration was downloaded, and then once this is done, then you can tap on the scan, the red one at the bottom, and you see light is coming on here. So that's the scanning light. So this is measuring the reflectance, and right now it's not measuring reflectance from anything because it's shining into the air, but you're also having absorbance, and you have the intensity as well. So that's about it. Thank you.